Hello everyone, good evening. Today let's make an evening snack with the help of a popcorn, and that is I have a popcorn here. So we can make different kinds of popcorn, guys. So popcorn, this is the makai, we say it. With this makai we can make different varieties of popcorn, not the plain one. Today we are going to make the caramel popcorn, which everybody will like it. सब लोग को बहुत पसंद आता है caramel popcorn. For that we need is butter. I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 bowl of this popcorn. I got this from D-Mart. You can get it. You can get the butter popcorn, or this is the packet. You can get it. So it's written Makai like this. You can see for popcorn. Also, this is for at least two people can easily eat it. This is 1 bowl. So let's turn on the flame. I have a pan here. So in this, let's turn on the flame, and at the same time we'll make the popcorn one side, and we'll also make the caramel one side. Okay, so just to reduce the time, so we need as I said, sugar for making the For making the caramel popcorn, we need the sugar here, but I have the sugar syrup already, so I'm just using this sugar syrup. So you can directly use sugar also. Okay, guys. So I have turned on the flame here, and it is hot. And let me take this butter. We are not adding any salt here. This is just the salted butter. So I'm adding it. All right. So, and here there is one more pan here. So in this pan we'll add the sugar syrup directly so that it will caramelize. That's it. So caramelize is nothing but it should be brown. So the butter, you can see it here. The butter is melting down here. So in this, now at this stage we have to pour all the popcorn. That's it. And just stir it so that evenly it is spreaded nicely. You can see. So all the kernels are dipped. And now close it. Close the lid. Okay. It is on a low flame, guys, because it will take some time. And here we have our caramel, and this caramel is this is sugar syrup. It takes little time to get caramelized, so we need to increase the flame here. It is a very easy recipe, guys, and it's a very easy snack to make in the evening for the kids. Maybe you all have seen how this popcorn बहुत महंगा है ये this is caramel popcorn. You can also make chocolate popcorn like this. So we can make different varieties of it at just home at a very convenient. See, now you can see it's the butter slightly getting the heat transferred from the ghee, or that is butter, to the popcorn kernels. And here the sugar syrup, so it should be crystallized. So it started. See, you can see it. Watch, guys. So slowly, meanwhile it is done. Here let's speed up this process. should be crystal. Should be on a high flame. It should be completely brown, guys. If you want, you can even add vanilla flavor to this, just to give nice flavor. You can see here meanwhile. It's very hot. We should not touch this. It's very hot. It's time. The popcorn is busting. So and if you want to fasten the process here, we can add some more sugar, but I don't want to add it. Takes few minutes. Slowly turns brown. We need to make it on a high flame. We can even add nuts, guys. If your kids like it, you can add nuts here. It gives a nutty flavor in the popcorn. Or if you want just the plain caramel popcorn, you can just make it simply as this. बहुत अच्छा रहेगा ये, because this has sugar, so when it caramelizes, जब ये caramel की तरह बन जाएगा, brown color and और अच्छे से बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट आएगा इसके अंदर. एंड क्योंकि हमने बटर डाला है इधर, बटर विथ पॉपकॉर्न, इट इज़ गोइंग टू गेट इट नाइस फ्लेवर. सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ और बन रहा है. यू सी हाउ बहुत अच्छी तरह बन रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ गेटिंग रेडी हियर. इज़ ऑलमोस्ट, बस कलर चेंज होना है. अभी ये वाइट है, देन स्लोली चेंजेस टू ब्राउन. जब कभी भी आप शुगर सिरप बना रहे हो या फिर कैरामलाइज कर रहे हैं, यू कैन ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ लेमन टू इट. दिस इज़ अ टिप गाइस. इट गिव्स just one or two drops of lemon. Just add it. Add 1 or 2 drops, not more. Add just 2 drops of lemon, and it removes all all the impurities. And if we can even add baking soda to this, so that it gives nice flavor here, and all the bubbles will come up. So our almost this is done. You can see now here. This is also almost done here. So we are waiting for the color to change. So here I would like to add some baking soda. Just a second. So I will be adding very little baking soda to this. Just 2 pinches of baking soda. I'm adding it here, and see, you can see how it is. After you add the baking soda, it quickly changes its color, and also it gives nice foam and the color and flavor to this. this caramel. So this is how it becomes, guys. So it is caramelizing. It's very, very nice. This is how we have to make it. It just simply looks like the jaggery, right? It is brown. Just like jaggery. It's caramelizing. You can see how nicely it is caramelizing. I have added very little of this, and now I'm turning off. So you need to turn on the exhaust, guys, when you're making this, because as you can see, it's simply superb. It's just like jaggery. You can feel, and it's foamy. So here we have to add the popcorn kernels. Our kernels are ready here, you can see. So at this time we need to take out the so see, you can just see it's very hot. We'll add this into the I have turned off the flame, and we'll add this. So you can see so that's all. We have to add it, coat it so nicely, and this gives a very nice flavor to the popcorn. And we have to let it cool down for some time, at least for 10 minutes, and take it onto a plate. This is how the popcorn looks. Even you can make the chocolate popcorn like this, but this caramel popcorn is very tastier. It's very tastier. And you can see, you can maybe you have you had this, or आपने खाया होगा सिनेमा हॉल्स में, मॉल्स में, सिनेमा हॉल में, कहीं पर भी, near the supermarkets if you're abroad, so near the Lulu if you're in Gulf. So you have in the public places also. So this is how it is made, guys. It's very simple. You can make it at home, and you can serve it, and your kids will love it. So just take it onto I'll show we'll take it onto a plate or in a bowl, and I'll just show you how nicely it looks. It's coated so well. So it takes some time. As I said, we have to leave it for some time. So once it is cooled down, then we can have this. Let me take it into a bowl here. So everybody, with irrespective of the age, सब लोग को बहुत पसंद आएगा ये, क्योंकि ये बहुत स्वीटर है, and it looks like jaggery, right? So jaggery की तरह ही बन गया है ये. So and crunchy, and that caramel का flavor तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. You can see this is how it is ready. So our caramel popcorn is ready for eating. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all will love it, and thanks for subscribing and sharing my channel. Thank you.